Have you ever noticed that Google Chrome becomes slow after some time? Websites take longer to open, videos start buffering, and file downloads feel very slow? But the good news is, Chrome has some hidden settings that can make your browser much faster and smoother. In today's video, I'll show you 5 powerful Chrome hidden settings that can improve your browsing speed, increase download performance, and make your overall experience much better. So let's get started. The features we are going to see are called Chrome Flag. These features are created and tested by the Chrome development team. Some of them later become normal Chrome features, while others remain experimental. These settings are hidden because they are still under testing, but many of them can improve browser performance when used correctly. 2. Open Chrome Flags. Open your Chrome browser and type Chrome, add a colon, and then /flags in the address bar. Then press Enter. As soon as you open it, you will see many experimental settings. Don't worry, today we will only use the safest and most useful ones. Now, let's move to the first setting called Parallel Downloading. In the search bar at the top of the Flags page, type Parallel Downloading. You will see the option appear on your screen. Normally, when you download a large file, Chrome downloads it using a single connection. But this feature breaks the file into smaller pieces and downloads all parts together at the same time. Because of this, download speed becomes much faster, especially for large files. Simply change the option from default to enabled. After changing any Chrome flag, always click the relaunch button at the bottom. This restarts Chrome and applies the new setting properly. Now let's move to the second setting called GPU rasterization. Search for GPU rasterization in the Flags search bar. This setting helps Chrome use your computer's graphics card to load heavy websites and graphics faster. Usually, the CPU handles most browser tasks, but websites with animations, videos, and heavy graphics can slow things down. This feature shares some work with the graphics card, making websites smoother and faster. Enable this option and relaunch Chrome. The third setting is called Experimental QUIC Protocol. Search for it in Chrome Flags. This is a special technology developed by Google to make internet communication faster and more efficient. It mainly improves the speed of Google services like YouTube and Google Search. In simple words, it helps your browser connect to websites faster and reduces loading time. Enable this setting and relaunch your browser. Now, let's talk about the fourth setting called Smooth Scrolling. Search for Smooth Scrolling in the Flags search bar and enable it. If you often read long articles or scroll through websites, you may notice small lags or jerks while moving down the page. This feature removes those small stutters and makes scrolling feel very smooth and clean. It gives your browsing experience a more premium and comfortable feel. The fifth and final setting is called Zero Copy Rasterizer. Search for it inside Chrome Flags. This is not available for me, but if you have, then enable it. Many users notice that Chrome uses a lot of RAM, especially when many tabs are open. This setting reduces unnecessary memory usage and improves browser performance. One more important tip is to always keep your Chrome browser updated. To update Chrome, click the 3 dots in the top right corner, then go to Help and click About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install the latest version. Keeping Chrome updated improves speed, security, and overall performance. Try these settings on your computer and see which one improves your experience the most. Don't forget to like the video and share your results in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video with more useful tips and tricks.